Pick up Mile High Meatloaf.
Why is it mile high?
It's about this high off the plate.
No, it's not.
It's pretty big.
Seriously?
It's big. We got our ground beef, 75-25.
Going big.
Ground Italian sausage, green and red peppers, white onions that I've cooked down for a long time.
Yeah, when people put raw veggies in meatloaf, it drives me crazy.
No. Now I got some panko breadcrumb that I've crushed some roasted garlic into, and then milk.
So you got your panade.
Yes. Beaten organic eggs, some of the meatloaf sauce.
What do we got?
We got some ketchup, maple syrup, steak sauce, hot sauce, Montreal steak seasoning,
Doctor?
and just some salt and pepper.
So we'll take this into the pan.
Pack it in.
So in the oven, what temp?
350, about an hour and a half. Then we bring it out, we brush some more of that meatloaf sauce on the top.
Got it.
Put it back in
Let it
to
glaze.
glaze.
Got it.
Then we let it cool, we unmold, we slice it, it gets seared on the flat top.
Make the magic happen, baby.
We're gonna go down with a nice scoop of our roasted garlic mash, one piece of meatloaf, another scoop of mash.
I get the mile high thing now, chef.
We're gonna go on with our gravy, a little frizzle, some of our veg mix.
I don't eat a lot of meatloaf, so I keep this petite dancer's figure.
Yes.
Wow. Oh, look at me, I can't stop eating it.
I got 3 orders of pancakes.
We absolutely love the pancakes. When you can get a kid to eat it, you know it's a good thing.
I saw Bobby in the kitchen cooking, showing how they made pancakes.
Who did this recipe come from?
My father's.
I don't know that I've ever seen a 5-gallon bucket of buttermilk. Vegetable oil?
Yep. We do another gallon of eggs. Gets a little messy.
I gotta say flour comes in at some point.
And we just do pretty much 6 containers of this.
Yeah, you keep it scientific.
That's 3.
That was 4. Here is 6. Okay, that's gonna be this will be 7.
And that's pretty much
And
it.
that's, I think you owe 1 more.
Huh? We got 1 more to go? Man, you're throwing off my count.
I get heat for that to this day.
We just add a touch of vanilla syrup. The secret ingredient's in here.
You're hiding it in confectionery sugar.
Yeah. And you see the way this batter is nice and thick? It's gonna give it a nice texture.
This is the meat pancake.
Fresh bacon cooked. Just throw that right there. The nutty is almonds, some walnuts. The honey goes at the end. These are peanut butter, really good. Little powdered sugar. Just shovel it in.
Oh, shovel.
Just shovel it. You haven't get it.
My middle name. I would order that pancake.
You still got more to go.
Back when Triple D came, we were doing 500 pancakes a weekend. Now we're up to about 1,000 pancakes coming up. It's been freaking amazing.
Strawberry, chocolate, blueberry, they have everything here.
Pancake bites almost ready.
I tried the pancake bites for the first time, and I absolutely love it.
Smoked corned beef, Texas Reuben.
I've never seen that in Texas.
That is a little taste of Jersey.
Texas-style Reuben.
It has creamy coleslaw and Russian dressing instead of sauerkraut.
The way he smokes it, it's just second to none.
What are we into first?
Brining our corned beef. Start with water, trim down brisket, brown sugar, Himalayan pink salt, black peppercorns,
A lot of it. Mustard
seed, and bay leaf.
And how long are we letting this brine?
For 16 days.
Nice.
So we have an air-dried corned beef, stout beer, pickling seasoning.
Why don't you add some garlic?
Finish it with onions.
In a very interesting category of corned beef.
It absolutely is. Cover it with foil. Poke holes in the top of this.
How long is it gonna go? What temp?
225 for 16 to 18 hours.
Wow.
So now we're gonna make the brine for our pickles. White vinegar, we're doing hot brine.
Got it.
What's the difference between hot brine and cold brine?
It expedites the process.
Yeah, cider vinegar and water, fresh jalapeños, black peppercorns, mustard seed, and then salt and pepper. Bring to a boil.
About 15 minutes steeping.
Pour the pickle brine over the Kirby cucumbers.
And how long will these brine?
5 days. So now we're gonna be making our Russian dressing. We start with our house brine, pickles, and jalapenos, sriracha sauce, mayonnaise, salt, pepper. Blend, and it's ready to go.
You can put that on bad food and it would taste good.
Yeah, that's really good.
That's like the duct tape of food.
We have a local bakery. They make a Pullman rye for us. We do a thickness almost like a Texas-style toast.
So butter that on the flat top.
Actually on the grill.
Got good caraway in there. Great chew, great crumb. You can smell it.
No. Every year,
I try.
for 27 years, you've smashed my face in a cake, saying, smell this cake.
You either trust me or you don't.
Just get it over with.
Smell it.
Smells great.
Where's that father-son trust at?
Take the corned beef.
Look at the color.
That's how thick you slice it. That is a portion. So you're just putting a final little sear on this?
Add coleslaw, pepper jack cheese, add a little steam. We take our spicy Russian dressing.
That looks so good.
In the Flavortown dictionary under absurd is a picture of that sandwich.
Huge.
That's bigger than your head. Go ahead and eat it, because I know you want to.
No.
So the corned beef is not corned beef. It's cracked beef.
It's got moisture.
That little kiss of the smoke.
Mm-hmm.
I love the thick bread. It saves the sandwich from getting soggy on you.
That's a monster rye. And rye not.
Right?
Thank
Wow.
you. This needs to be bottled and sold for sure. You need to have a commercial with it. Is your food not that great? Get some of this. The magic food duct tape. I'd put it on dinner mints. I'd come buy this sandwich in a heartbeat. Wow.
Thank you. Corned beef.
This is the juiciest, the best I've had anywhere.
The sauce on it is to die for.
หมูใหญ่สเปเชียล ready and done come on
The pork is probably hands down my favorite thing here.
With Mu Ping and Mu Todd, you get it two ways.
One is a fried, and the other is, I guess, sauteed.
They're both very tasty, very good.
So Mu Ping
Yes.
and Mu Todd.
yes
Okay, so we're gonna make the marinade for both.
okay
Oyster sauce,
yes and soy sauce
soy sauce.
suka
Salt?
no
I know, I'm sorry. I'm getting in trouble. Now, how do you count in Thai?
1 2 3
1, 2, 3?
yeah 1 2 3 white pepper
Paprika.
1 2 3 4
See?
5 that yes
Half of this goes in the Mu Ping.
yes
Got it. We're gonna grill that. We stir it up? I hope
thank you
And how long?
One
day. 24 hours. Now this one. Okay.
sorry
Garlic in there? You're following a real recipe right here. How much pork we got? Okay. Cilantro? With this one, we're gonna fry.
yeah
But it's a different cut.
they're long หมูทอด make long
Mutong is long.
yes
And ping is the flat, and it goes on the skewer. A lot going on here.
Yeah.
Very pretty.
very good
So we do that, and we make sweet chili sauce. So vinegar,
pepper no too hot
so chili paste,
yes
and then some sugar.
1 2 okay no
Oh.
ha no ha
No ha-ha.
a little bit
And this is flour and water. Make it thick.
bum okay done.
Okay, when it boils, bum, bum, bum. You can tell she's a warrior. I mean, to bring her daughters from Thailand, come here, open up a business. It's a land of opportunity, and she's a perfect example. Next sauce? What kind of pepper?
Thai pepper and go too hot
really? Ghost?
yes good
Like, ooh.
yeah
Oh.
อันนี้ people Thai yeah who garlic สลันโซ
A lot of therapy here.
สุกาซอ
The fresh lime juice.
thank you
That's done?
too hot oh I cook หมูปิ้ง and coconut milk and sugar and fry หมูทอด for 5 minutes
That's a lot.
1 2 3 4 5
Ha.
oh good ha fried garlic
Beautiful. And sticky rice. Oh, that's good. And spicy. I love that you get the two different plays on this. Delicious. Really good ingredients makes all the difference in the world. I don't like. I don't like. I love.
oh you okay thank you
I love.
Got your pork platter right here. On point. It's fantastic.
The pork, the tenderness was very good.
The green dipping sauce is incredible.
Three-way sandwich.
Great combination between bacon, pulled pork, and brisket.
Each meat could be its own sandwich. Start off with the pulled pork.
Got it?
Next, we're gonna add the brisket. Bring this up to temp.
Okay.
Add the mango barbecue sauce.
Locally made brioche bun.
Yes. Pork first, then the brisket. Next, the candied bacon. We're gonna top it off with a lime slaw.
I like the little stamp on there.
Our house-made fries.
When I think about Atlantic City, I do not think about barbecue sandwiches. But I gotta tell you, this would be a home away from home for a lot of folks that want some great barbecue. Smoke, nice tang, good season, making a slaw, counterbalancing it with a little acid. That's a great sandwich. That's a really great sandwich.
Thank you very much.
Well done.
Barbecue three-way.
The mango barbecue sauce makes the sandwich.
The maple bacon that they have in there, kind of like takes it to another level.
It's kind of ridiculous.
2 jalapeno cheddar bagels, order up.
The jalapeno cheddar bagel is my favorite.
A little bit spiced. Got to be ready for it.
Okay, you've got like the legit bagel equipment.
Yes, this is what you need to produce a lot of them.
Give me the rundown, Holmes.
First, we're gonna start with the basic plain dough. We start off with some sugar, some salt in there. We're gonna put our water in now.
Water.
Some yeast. And then turn around. We're gonna grab a bag of flour here. This is a 50-pound dough.
How long will this go?
We got about 15 minutes. In about 10 minutes, we'll start throwing in our
ingredients, our jalapenos and the cheddar?
And the cheddar cheese.
Okay, that thing's huge. And you didn't even roast the jalapenos or anything.
No, we want it to kick.
Yeah, the juicy style, right?
Yeah, that's it.
So now what happens?
I'm gonna cut equal strips to put right in this machine right here.
Okay.
This first section is gonna divide the dough into equal portions. It's gonna drop onto this conveyor and form the bagel.
Do they have a home version of this? Because I want one.
Yeah, right? We're gonna run this a little slow.
It goes faster than this.
Oh, yeah. This thing makes about 10,000 an hour if you really crank it up.
There's no way I could keep up. But you got like 18 fingers, dude. I'm already watching this.
I've done a few bagels in my life.
No, you think? And from here,
these will proof for 3 hours.
then they go dark for the night.
That's it. And bake them first thing in the morning.
All right, let's go.
First, we boil our bagels, slide them in. They've gotten puffy.
Okay.
We're gonna transfer them over onto these kiln-dried redwood boards.
This dude gets after it. This is kind of like angry hot dough Tetris.
We're gonna put them in the oven for about 3 minutes on these boards.
What temp are we running at?
About 495.
495. These are ready to flip? The plastic gloves, again, are gonna be your only
No problem.
No fingers. And how long are they gonna ride the carousel of heat?
For about 20, 25 minutes in here now. And then we can do 12 dozen per shelf, 5 shelves in that oven. That's 60 dozen. Keep them going all day long.
You're crazy.
Yes.
Yes.
There we go.
Look at that crust on it.
We should cut it first.
Okay. Do we toast it?
I like them toasted.
I want to toast it. I'll go veggie spread.
Vegetable cream cheese.
What's in it?
Scallions, carrots, broccoli, a little bit of onion powder in there.
Brother, I've had a lot of jalapeno bagels, and all they do is walk the jalapeno over the top. You get serious. There's heat in that. I mean, you smell the jalapeno. That's dynamite. To see the whole process go through, it makes you appreciate it so much more. That crust, that chew, soft in the middle, nice texture on the outside. Real deal, brother. Real deal.
Jalapeno with cream cheese.
It's got the perfect crunch on the top.
The cheddar has like a nice mildness to it.
I got a Marrow medium rare. Table 4, pick up, please.
My favorite thing on the menu is probably the bone marrow burger. The fries are cooked in duck fat.
So I have a very popular burger we call the bone marrow burger.
Have you had bone marrow?
I've had it in forms. I've never just started eating a bone.
What you're going to do with it.
The first thing we gotta do is roast these bones, soften up the bone marrow. I'm gonna salt these, throw this in a 350-degree oven for about a half an hour or so. We're gonna make the compound butter that tops my burger. I'm in a strict anti-ketchup establishment.
Whoa!
Whoa!
Strict.
I didn't know you were bringing me to a place like this.
I hate ketchup. Don't need it.
I don't even know what's going on. You know how much I love ketchup, man. You know what ketchup's my thing.
Don't worry, I'll take you later for ketchup.
Okay.
Unsalted grass-fed butter, rosemary, parsley, roasted garlic.
Good amount of salt and fresh cracked black pepper.
Give a little dip of that.
Delicious.
Oh, yeah, very much so.
This is our condiment.
Note to self.
Okay.
Got it.
Instead of ketchup.
Compress it a little bit, throw it in the cooler. Anything else going on this burger we got to do?
Duck head fries with truffle salt.
We're going to have to talk.
Chef fight!
Cut fresh Idaho russet potatoes.
I think Q's going to need to take a run at this. So you want to hold the base there.
Okay.
You're probably good at the fair with ringing the bell, too. Into the water, an hour, great. If we can give it 24 hours, awesome. I mean, you can already see how that starch is
that's
starting to leach out into the water right now. So we go for a double fry in the duck fat.
Yep.
Grass-fed burger meat.
Brisket and chuck blend.
Outstanding.
Our bone marrow, it's soft enough to scoop out. Scoopski, as it were.
Scoopski potatoes?
Yeah, a little scoopski marrow.
It's a joker's thing. It's an impractical thing.
You talk about flavor bomb. This right here is another level.
Around an 8-ounce ball.
Now he takes the Smash-O-Matic 9000 here.
Oh, you got one of those? Perfect.
Oh, gonna be ridiculous.
Yeah, man.
Grilling and thrilling. Look at the caramelization. What kind of cheese?
Raclette cheese.
Look at that.
Oh, man.
We're serving it up with the butter. By the time it makes it out to the table, that will have melted down. Duck fat fries.
The fry's so good. This might be the best French fry I've ever had.
It just needs one thing.
It's a little naked. I couldn't help but notice, but... Are you gonna fuck them?
I smuggled in ketchup. Don't tell Doug.
I didn't see nothing.
Yeah.
You cut your burgers in half.
Just to show everybody what this looks like, look at the juice that comes out of that burger. Call this the hunch. Arms up.
Can I dive in? All right. Oh, man. Never tasted anything like this.
The richness of the meat inside of it.
Oh, yeah.
Dynamite brioche bun, by the way.
It is great.
That's gluten-free bun.
No, it's not.
It is.
Okay, these people are gonna be billionaires. It has this very composed, elegant dish profile from the herbaceousness of the butter and the raclette cheese, silky, creamy, a little tangy. It's beyond a burger's level. It's dynamite, man.
Mid-rare bone marrow burger.
It's the marrow all the way. It just melts in your mouth. It's wonderful.
It's so juicy. The herbal butter kind of just like oozes through the meat.
The Abe Frohman takes the sausage sandwich to a whole new level.
The combination of the sausage and melted American cheese, it's got the onion ring. It's really something special.
This is the kickoff of the Abe Frohman.
Yep, we're gonna mix up the spice rub for the fennel sausage.
Let me see it.
Garlic salt, Himalayan pink salt, oregano,
A lot of fennel.
red pepper, and kosher salt. Here are the brisket trimmings.
Season it.
Straight to the casing from the grinder.
You grind and case at the same time.
Yes.
Okie dokie.
Put it in the refrigerator for 2 days, then we smoke it for about 2 hours.
Okay.
We're gonna make the mustard sauce. Start with some white vinegar,
Nice cascade there, Marty.
a little yellow mustard, ketchup, sriracha, and then some chili powder. Natural white sugar. I like to use the natural sugars because they don't bind when I do my rubs. Black pepper.
And some brown natural sugar. Cook this down, and the next one we're gonna make is the big pink sauce.
We're gonna do our big pink sauce.
Hit it.
Ketchup, brown sugar, Old Bay,
You better obey.
kosher salt, granulated garlic, cayenne pepper, a little mustard powder. I love mustard powder.
Worcestershire.
Pineapple juice.
Where does the kitchen sink come in here?
Molasses.
Just because it pours out slow doesn't mean you have to say it slow.
Lemon juice, black pepper, white sugar.
How long is this gonna go?
About 45.
Both sauces are done. The sausage is finished.
It's gonna go to the hot grill, and we're gonna whack it with our big pink sauce and our mustard
We're gonna
sauce.
whack it. That's what we call it. We're whacking
Hey,
it.
you're in New Jersey. What do you want?
We're whacking in the big pink with the guy with better hair than I got. All right, big man.
I'm gonna slice the sausages, put them on the bun, piece of American cheese, hit it with the torch, homemade Alabama sauce, mustard sauce we made, and the big pink sauce we made. Put on some onion rings, then we're gonna pray it stays up.
I agree. Great amount of fennel inside of the sausage. Great texture to it. A little bit of smoke. Love the sauces. Delicious. You got a winner.
Thank you, man.
Abe Frohman, Sausage King of Chicago.
You're the sausage king of Chicago.
You're the sausage king, right?
Abe Frohman from Marrow.
That cheese and that combination of that homemade sausage just gives it a spectacular taste.
This is banging. This is a Jersey sandwich.
I want to have another bite. It's all going every way. Don't be worried about that.